Hello everyone, it's Heather here and I want to talk to you about my DDOG DDOG call trade. Yesterday on August 12th I entered DDOG. I entered the 917 130 calls at 670. Why did I enter the trade? Well, let's take a look at the chart. You can see after earnings here we had a very nice bullish gap. We broke the trend line just going into earnings. We had a excuse me, a gap up. Off of that, we had some pretty nice candles, even though they were red. Took a little break here, held in most of the gap, came in and pushed. This is Wednesday's candle. Pushed this right back up. Beautiful reversal. Yesterday opened up. We had a higher open from the previous day, right, from the previous open, and continued on. So just nice action. We've building up just a little bit more volume. We've had a little bit of extra volume since those earnings. And here's what we look like intraday. We had a nice move up. We broke out of the opening range. We came in. We didn't break the low of that first candle. And then we continued to climb back up in the afternoon and ended up about where we started here and about where my entry was. What is my plan with this trade? Well, a couple things here. For a stop, I would now use yesterday's low, which is 126.91. I would use that as a stop, and then today we'll assess it and probably move that stop up a little bit. But DDOG looking well on the options at 10% is always a good area to maybe trim some off. So I will look to take half off at 10% and then allow the rest of this to continue. And my initial target here is going to be that 135.38. That is the previous high. And then I will assess it at that point to see if we are going to test and retrace or if we are going to make that breakout. I may hold on a little bit longer, but my initial goal here is 135.38 on the underlying chart. If you have any questions, please reach out. HeatherC@GivingTreeTrading.com.